Welcome, traders! Are you looking for a user-friendly and feature-rich platform to take your trading journey to the next level? Look no further than NetTradeX. What is NetTradeX Analytical Trading Platform? NetTradeX is a powerful and versatile trading platform offered by IFC Markets. It caters to both beginner and experienced traders, providing a comprehensive set of tools for analyzing markets, executing trades, managing your portfolio. Key features of NetTradeX. Intuitive interface. NetTradeX boasts a user-friendly and customizable interface. Easily access all the features you need with a clean layout and intuitive navigation. Advanced charting. Analyze market trends with a powerful charting engine. Utilize a variety of technical indicators and drawing tools to make informed trading decisions. Multiple asset classes. Trade a wide range of instruments on NetTradeX, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, subject to regulations. Order types. NetTradeX offers a variety of order types to suit your trading style, from basic market and limit orders to more advanced options like stop-loss and take-profit orders. Risk management tools. Manage your risk effectively with features like margin control and real-time account balance updates. News and analysis. Stay informed about market movements with integrated news feeds and market analysis tools directly within the platform. Benefits of using. Trade with confidence. NetTradeX's features empower you to make informed trading decisions and manage your risk effectively. Flexibility. The platform caters to diverse trading styles with its range of features and asset classes. User-friendly interface. NetTradeX's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate, regardless of your experience level. All-in-one platform. Manage your entire trading experience from analyzing markets to executing trades, all within a single platform. Ready to try? Open a free demo account with IFC Markets and experience the power of NetTradeX for yourself. Explore the platform's features, practice your trading strategies, and gain confidence before risking real capital.